Today we are working on N-scale stairs for the Outpost on the Iron Horse roof. Once these dry, we'll be attaching these teeny tiny rails, handrails on the deck. Alright, getting the handrails on now. Almost looks safe, so final level on. Alright, I got the rails on. We're gonna let them dry and then we'll get it over to the model. So I got it down there drying right now. Right, the stairs are in, the railings back on. Please subscribe, click the bell icon, and share this shorty. Thank you.